I think this is the first glimpse of Monica crawling. Look at that. Nice, you got it. You got it. Let me change it. Okay. We're gonna start over. Dang. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna start over. Woo! This is some work. Okay, go. Okay, now you can go after the tree. Go. Nice. I found your motivation. Congratulations. I think our baby's getting ready to crawl. Monica. Mommy's so happy. Hello. Do you know what you just did? Mom, I just want this. Don't you put that in your mouth. Them big old pants on. You want, what do you want now? Nice. You're so cute. Hey, Monica. Can you put it back on the Christmas tree? Be careful. Oh, you want to take... What are you looking at? What are you trying to get to now? It's got a hook on it, so you gotta be careful. What are you playing with down there? Ooh, what's that, Mommy? What's this, Mommy? What is this thing? I'm gonna pull it off. You like it because it's shiny? Back to my ball.